Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to order on the GoPath app. First, open the GoPath app and make sure you're logged in. Use the search bar to find the products you want or browse and add items to your cart. Once you're ready, tap Checkout at the bottom of the screen. Next, enter your full name, phone number, email, and any gift message. Then tap Save. Add a payment method and complete your payment. Finally, tap Place Order and your order will be successfully submitted. And that's it. That's how to order on the GoPath app quickly and easily. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.